You're watching DIYNate. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to tell me about your project in the comments.
Alright folks, on this quick episode of DIYNate, we are up to another tree burning. This is a very windy day, so use caution, 1, when working with a chainsaw, 2, when burning a tree, and 3, in windy conditions. We're definitely going to pull a hose up. We've got some fire burning materials ready to go. They will burn if they're green, but this one is going to go up real quick. Today we're using our 40 volt, 14-inch Ryobi chainsaw. You know, some people don't care for electric chainsaws, but I've been thrilled with how well these work. We're just going to watch it go here. Chopping right to them. We're going to cut them into 4 parts today. All right, now that we're getting close to the base here, we're going to move this part, and we're going to cut it right in the middle here, somewhere around right here at one of the thicker parts. All right, we're taking the Christmas tree stand off. I'll leave a link in the video description if you're interested in a similar Christmas tree stand. And certainly check out past years of Christmas tree burnings, something we've done for many years now as an ongoing thing. My kids enjoy watching the tree go up. It's always fun to see just how quick it burns. It's a great way to get rid of your Christmas tree too. We're just gonna stack them up. And again, having water nearby is important, especially on a windy day like today, because it could get out of control and could get away from you. So take caution when you're doing this. By no means is this advice from DIYNate. This is just something I like to do and for entertainment purposes only. Okay, so we've built our little tree stack here. It's ready to go up and smoke. Okay, so we've added some wood around the base just so we can keep the fire going once this thing goes up. This will happen very quickly and it'll be fun to watch. All right, so we are lighting it up. See if we can get something to start. A little beer box here. Sometimes you should start right up. You might have to just work with it a little bit more. There we go. Figure out and let it do its thing. Nothing like a tree burning. Probably will have a little come out of the fire. Less than a minute. Ferocious fire right there. Just like that, the tree is gone. And it's a great fire starter if you want to get your bonfire going. It's pretty well contained. All right, that's how you burn a Christmas tree. You've been watching DIYNate. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. All right, you might be wondering what the fire looked like at the end of this. Man, that's a really cool fire. Like those red charcoal embers, hot burning red. Looks awesome. We had a good night. We were watching some college basketball out by the fire and just really enjoyed hanging out. What a cool shot right there of how we ended the fire. Embers glowing nicely, popping every few seconds as the wind blows across them.
Hope you enjoyed watching our family Christmas tree burning tradition. Thanks for watching DIYNate and have a great day.